But Barok away kari la Rakhe ke National Services Day bakat Rio hanong ba Shillong ha ke Conference Hall jang Pinewood Hotel. Ya kani ke program la play perda Menteri Rang ba Kejala Konrad Sangma. Kibiadan lang ha kani ke program kilong Chief Secretary uba DP Walang Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil Ahmed u Anil Swarup badu Dr. Rakhe Tandon. Ha kajing kran lam khmat Menteri Rang ba ulakit bakit rang ya Barok kibiadan ha kani ke program bat ula ai kublai ru ya ki officer ya ka jingtra sistem jongki na ka benta ka jala bat ka rihi baro ka we ula btha ya ki officer banlong ki minat hakakam bat bakin kenmau ya ka jing kit kli jongki bakin amsha ya lambakla da ka bor ne ka pisa ni ki we na ki kamram jongki bat ban pla jingmot ban sakri ya ki pajba bat day tang kini hi ki bala ban pun poi sha ka thong
possible because
let this be a day that reminds you again and again about why they are all here. So I really look forward to working with all of you in this new term. So therefore we are in the new government, a new term has started. So we have a long way ahead, and hence I look forward to a lot of positive contribution from all of you, and I look forward to us working as a good team. And as I said, when I say team, it means we take responsibility together, and we have respect for each other, and we work with a sense of a very strong